Kasi nag-shoot nga, di ba? Hey guys, so welcome back to another vlog. And this is my second day na naka-leave ako. And hanggang ano na to, hanggang New Year. Kaya naman, for this vlog, samahan nyo kami kasi we're going to have our yearly or annual Christmas pictorial. So pinalitan na namin yung lugar kung saan nilalagay ang Christmas tree. Inilipat muna namin kasi yung treadmill namin nandun. So alam na wala muna nag-exercise. And this console table, usually, yeah, this is, you know, we put this candles here. But niliitan na lang namin yung decorations kasi ito binili namin before sa saan nga ba namin binili ito? Basta doon. And ito yung bouquet na binigay ko kay Abby nung anniversary namin. This was one of our pictures nung previous Christmas. Yes, so it's a fine day today. Wow! Look, so ito yun. And this too, yan, isa sa mga bago na additional. So, kay Kin or kay Tiffy? Kay Tiffy or kay Kin, I don't know. Nagtatalo na naman sila niyan. And eto, before, nasa doon sa console. But now, we put it here. And dito naman, ito na lang, sinimplihan na lang namin. Yan, so tapos, nagdagdag na lang kami. Nanganganak ang sapatos namin. Wala naman silang mattress. What? Charot. Good morning, Tiffy. So, ganito po ang oras ng gising niya. Papasok. So, no problem. So, yan. Medyo magulo-gulo dyan. Kasi dito nag-aayusan. And, ito. Marami siyang emoji. What are the dresses? Give me some tour.
This is yours and this is yours.
Okay, so we'll take a bata. Are you excited? Are you excited? Where's your shoes? Where's your shoes? Where? Pick. Very good. Okay, let's go. Take a bat na. Yan. Yan. Here. Where's your ano? Which one? Can you choose which one is your sock? That's yours? The other one? That's for whom? Okay, let's go. Go, we'll take a bath na. Sabi mo, see you guys later.
See you guys later.
So guys, we'll go ahead and ito.
I have a lot of here.
Show it. The other one. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Dali na. Little bit lang. Dito na kami sa toilet nila. Diretso na yun. Can I see? Oh no! You like it?
Love.
Yes. So nakikisali na po siya sa party. And she's there. So guys, binaba ko muna sila sa lobby. And nag-park muna ako. Then, dito sa Mega, which is nearby. By the way, yung studio is at the 11th floor at the same building ng office namin. Kaya, familiar naman ako sa lugar. So, this is here at the Rim Island. And yes, so samahan niyo kami for today as we go to our annual Christmas pictorial. Dito yung building namin. Yes. Diba? Taas. Let's go. 2 days back kami dito. Ready ka na? Ready? So, ito yung lobby ng office namin. Maliit lang yung office namin pero Madami kasing mga nag-office dito. Parang similar sa Makati. So, walang masyadong nagbago. Kasi, no. Kaya hindi ko kayo pinakit kasi dalawa yung elevators dito. And, yes, so dito kami. So, this is Hatch. We're going to 11th floor. Here at 11th floor, there. Are you the photographer?
Yes.
She's the photographer. Say hi to the vlog.
Vloggers?
Yes, we are, but not much. We're trying because I'm the only one who does the editing and stuff. So this is the loft studio. This is their lobby. Yes. So we arrived earlier, right? We arrived. Hi. So ito yung traditional doon. Nandito yung white, Christmas. Hindi kami ready. Ito si Hani ng bayan. So, wow! I love it! So guys, ito yung nila. What do you call this? Dressing area. Oh, see, it's Instagrammable. Look at that. Actually, change shoes. Are you gonna change your shoes?
No, black siya ganyan.
Later. So, ito yun. Sila yung mga staffs. And this is gonna be the studio. Ayan. So, ito yung ating... Ang ganda, di ba? Oh. See? Mag-model ka na. Ay, tarinihan. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Yeah. First look. Ito yung first look ko. So, velvet tayo. This is my second. This is gonna be our first look. Pakita mo si Titi. Oh, there you go. We're starting na. So, nag-shirt lang ako. Shirt lang ako inside para kasi madali ako mag-change.
Paglagay na.
Tapos sila more on dresses para kasi mabilisan lang. We're given 35 minutes to shoot. So, yes, nawala yung style na. Yeah. Okay na? So, they're almost the same yung cut.
Ganda yan, at least.
Mamaya pwede siya mag-heels.
Doon sa pula yung...
So, mag-heels siya doon. We're ready! So, bakit? Mababagsak! Magbabayad ka pa. Okay. Go. TV. Hindi, yung feel na feel niya yan.
Yan.
Kasi yan daw damit niya. Ano siya? Yung katawan niya? Hourglass mo.
Yan.
Ito, mahilig kumain.
No.
Okay, pa-open mo kay Ma'am. Open.
Ma'am, open.
Itong isa, kumakain ng yan-yam. Ito naman, feel na feel niya. Dalagang-dalaga siya. Hey guys, so tapos na kami Yes, ready kayo. And
Show the pictures of that.
you want to show to them? So, abangan nyo yung... abangan. So, we will show to you yung mga photos namin. And we are off for late lunch actually. So, kita nyo yan. Isang ala ng ng pag-aura. So, kain muna kami. And yes. Jollibee. So, dito ako nagpa-park pag Galing ako sa office. So guys, sabi ko kanina, so Jollibee pa din.
Remove the rice.
Tagigisa na kami. Malaki na talaga si Tiffy kasi meron na siyang sarili niyang food. Siyempre si Achi din. Diba? Akalaan yung ganyan siya kumain. May carbo, and protein. Lalo naman ako, oh. Basta, ito mamaya. Ito ang aking dessert. Guys, dahil sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. Bakit nga ba kami nagpa-annual Christmas family pictorial? Kasi we've been planning years ago but hindi natutuloy. So this time, we have done it and glad that we have and we did. Kasi it's not about yung photos lang or whatever, but it's about the memories na share namin all throughout and reminiscing as well how good Jesus Christ to our family is. Kasi we are celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ and we are very blessed. Yung pinadala siya ni God is that kumbaga testimony talaga yung buhay niya, bakit din tayo nasusustain sa ating everyday life. Kaya naman, maingay, hindi ko alam bakit, naglilinis siya. Basta na lang siya nagdesisyon, nanggigigil ako. So bilang ako yung tatay, ako ang taga-ubos ng pagkain. Nasaan yung balat? Yan, sayang, di ba? Ayaw na namin i-shower yan. Kakainin na lang. So,
Baka ma-high blood ka na ng
ano, hindi ako high blood, no? O, di ba? Ako pa din ang winner. Ako talaga. Ang laki ng tiyan ko nito mamaya. Jollibee, baka naman.
Are we gonna watch something?
Yeah.
What? We too? No, I would not.
We are here at the Galleria Abu Dhabi. Yes. Actually, dito lang kami talaga madalas mag-mall, right?
I watch movies.
Really?
I think
Yes.
it's Wicked.
Yeah. Tell them that you're excited to watch a movie, right?
Yeah.
Is this your favorite mall?
Yes.
Really? Where are they going? Okay, she wants to go to Miniso.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye for now. So, yun yung dalawa. Gusto mag-Miniso. Ewan ko sa mga bata ngayon. Gustong-gusto nila ng Miniso. And this is the 2024 Christmas decoration here in Gallery. So, itong air na to, yan. Yan yung Palawan Bata Extreme Zone. At si Madam, may chill-chill lang. Ganon siya. So, yeah. Ito ang itsura ng ano dito, sinehan. Yang lift na yan, diretso, going to the parking. Kaya, napaka-convenient dito sa Vox Cinema branch na to sa Galleria. And so, we're gonna watch a pretty long movie as I have heard. Kasi it's like, I don't know, 2 hours? Again, she's been asking us, Abby and myself, na gusto niya mapanood kasi as a fan siya ni Ariana Grande. Kaya naman, pinagbigyan namin siya. And shout out to Ate Weng and Kuya Mau for letting us use their discount. Mag-hi ka sa vlog. Hi! So, ito ang magkasama. Dagdagan niya. Ba't parang ang konti? So guys, ito yung next namin panonood. Hindi pa kami tapos, pero meron na kagad. Na-miss namin tong Galleria Vox. Fifi! What? Give that to me. Okay? So this is seating arrangement. I think we're going to be in this area. This one's an up. And with that, we hope to share you more memories, more fun times with our family. It's not all about just, all the photos, all the videos and stuff, but it's all about sharing love for each other, and it's all about sharing precious times. We are seizing the moment, and yeah, we hope that you guys will be able as well to find time with your family, especially this Christmas. So yes, so Merry Christmas to everyone, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now. This is Joey. You have to look here. Oh, gumalaw yung camera.
Scared me.
Me too. Nagulat ako na gano'n.
So guys, patay gutom lang ang peg na. Sorry na.